Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. You're a chick, chick here and a chick, chick there. You're a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
农场动物 farm animals. These 6 farm animals live in the farm. Name the farm animals. Cow, horse, sheep, chicken, duck, goat. Chicken is a farm animal. Duck is a farm animal. Cow is a farm animal. Horse is a farm animal. Sheep is a farm animal. Goat is a farm animal. Page 7. Theme farm animals. Uncle Joe has a farm. There are many animals in his farm. He keeps some horses in the stable and some cows in the barn. Uncle Joe also keeps some chickens in the coop behind his house. Children have to circle animals in his farm. Horses in the stable. Cows in the barn. Chicken in the coop. And here, this is a place for chicken to stay. It is called coop. Coop. This is a place for cows to stay. It is called barn. Barn. For the place for horse, you call stable. Stable. Page 8. Some animals lay eggs. Hen lay eggs. Hatch. Chick. Some animals give birth. Goat, nanny, doe. Give birth, nurse, kid. Nanny and doe are female goat. Worksheet, page 17. Uncle Joe. Okay. Stable. Follow teacher to read the words first. Stable, coop, barn, farm, animals. Uncle Joe has a farm. There are many animals in his farm. He keeps some horses in the stable and some cows in the barn. Uncle Joe also keeps some chicken in the coop behind his house. Copy and write. There are many animals in the farm. Many animals. There are many animals in the farm. There are many animals in the farm. There are many animals in the farm. This is chicken. You can draw duck, cow, goat. Page 19. Follow teacher, circle hen. Hen lay eggs. So you write here lay eggs. Hen lay eggs. Circle goat. Goat give birth. Right here, give birth. Duck, circle duck. Lay eggs. Lay eggs. Duck lay eggs. Goose. Goose lay eggs. Lay eggs. Goose lay eggs. Circle cow. This is cow. Cow give birth. Give birth. Okay, children, lay eggs 是生蛋啊，give birth 就是生 baby 的，一个叫卵生，一个叫胎生。Okay, page 20. Rearrange the pictures in the correct order with 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the first diagram is about how chicken, the life cycle of a chicken. So, first you have hen. You write here, hen 1. You write hen there. Second picture, lay eggs. You write 2, and you write lay eggs. Number 3, hatch. Hatch. 4, chick. 4, chick. Okay. The lower diagram is about a goat. Okay. First picture, goat. Right here, goat. G-O-A-T. Write goat here. Second picture, give birth. Give birth is a baby lah. Right, give birth. The third picture, nurse. Nurse 是喂奶。Nurse. Fourth picture, kid. Kid 是小羊。小羊。For kid. Stable, barn, coop. Stable, barn, coop. Stable, barn, coop. Stable, barn, coop. Horse live in a stable. Cow live in a barn. Chicken live in a coop. Lay eggs, give birth. Lay eggs, give birth. Lay eggs, give birth. Chicken lay eggs. Goat give birth. Lay eggs 生蛋 give birth 生 baby. 农场动物 farm animals. Horse. Cow. Goat. Chicken. Duck. Uncle Joe's farm. Uncle Joe. Farm. Uncle Joe has a farm. Uncle Joe has a farm. Has 有一个 farm 农场。Animals. There are many animals in his farm. There are many animals in his farm. Stable 马住的地方 stable. He keeps some horses in the stable. He keeps some horses in the stable. Some 一些 stable 马棚。This is place for cows to stay. 牛住的地方。Barn. Barn. And some cows in the barn. And some cows in the barn. Some 一些 barn 是仓。This is the place for chicken to stay. It is called coop. 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 Uncle Joe also keeps some chickens in the coop behind his house. Uncle Joe also keeps some chicken in the coop behind his house. Uncle Joe 也是养了一些鸡在鸡舍，那个鸡舍是在他家的后面 ，behind 后面。Uncle Joe also keeps some chickens in the coop behind his house. Lay eggs. 生蛋。Give birth. 生 baby. Some animals lay eggs. Hen lay eggs, hatch, chick. Hen, number 1. 2, lay eggs. 3, hatch. 4, chick. What animal is this? This is a turtle. Turtle lay eggs. This is a ostrich. You see the egg is very big. Ostrich lays eggs. This one is chicken. Chicken also lay eggs. Goose lays eggs. Lay eggs. 生蛋。Some animals lay eggs. 有些动物是生蛋的，有些动物生蛋。Some animals give birth. Goat, nanny, doe, 母羊，妈咪羊。Give birth, 生 baby. Nurse, 喂奶。Kid, 小羊。Number 1, goat, nanny, doe. This is give birth. You see how goat give birth to their baby. Okay. Number 3, nurse. 4, kid. Giraffe also give birth to their young. Elephant gives birth to their young. Hippo give birth to their young. Give birth. Give birth. Give birth. Some animals give birth. 一些动物生孩子的。Flashcard type. These are all farm animals. Farm animals. Uncle Joe has a farm. 一个农场。There are many animals in his farm. He keeps some 一些 horses in the stable. 马棚 and some 一些 cows in the barn. Uncle Joe also keeps some chickens in the coop. Behind his house. Some animals lay eggs, lay eggs. 生蛋 hen 母鸡 lay eggs 生蛋 hatch 孵化 chick 小鸡 duck 鸭子 goose 鹅 some 一些 animals gives birth give birth 生孩子或者是叫胎生 goat 羊 nanny 母羊 doe 母羊 give birth 生孩子 nurse 喂奶 kid 小羊 Thank you